Another warning.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
9 p.m.
7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lincoln, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lincoln, Cherryville, Dallas, Stanley, Westport, High Shoals, Falston, Boulder City, Iron Station, and Denver. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland, Gaston, and Lincoln. The National Weather Service in